પીવડાવી રસ પીવડાવી ના અરજીમાં તો નવ લેખા એની અંદર એને અરજીમાં પોતાને લેખા તમારે એફિડેવિટમાં નથી પણ તમારી તપાસ સાચી તમારે કરતા આરોપી વધારે ઓનેસ્ટ છે. રાહ જોઈ આવે તો અને ગુના જો તપાસ એની અરજીમાં નવ લેખા છે. આ કંપની વતી કોણ કઈ કરશે લિક્વિડેશનમાં ગઈ હોય એટલે ઈડીમાં મેનેજમેન્ટ ઓફ ધ કંપની. Running of the management of the company. Now we are concerned whether liquidator can be asked to sign the so now Start with the management of hotel for the company. As far as the prosecution is concerned, he can manage, he can file a suit, he might appear on behalf of the company, but as far as criminal complaint is concerned, there is no clarity. They are divested of the power with regard to management of the company. But now what about the criminal act done by the relevant? There they are signing as individuals. There is no question. Then he apprehends, if the company is punished, then he will have to go for imprisonment. Fine. Suppose he records the charge and pleads guilty, then he pleads guilty. Company is held liable. Then your director will also be held liable. Then indirectly it won't affect your case. How could suppose he says here this was the mode in which the offense has been committed, then everything will go against you. But some there is one question is very much one fact is very much clear. Company will remain as an active. It can't be given go by in any way. It, the question is only that who will represent. So far as representation is concerned, there is no issue. But so far as criminal liability is concerned, that is required to be there. And that is there. There is no dispute. The director, they are ready to sign. They can't say no also. But so far as company is concerned, it is now that the status has not been changed, but now he is represented by the liquidator. That is also debatable, another issue. So for a criminal liability is concerned, it is another issue. There are criminal liability, okay, I am talking that very specifically prosecution about. Whether it gets discharged or not, that will be a different thing. Now we are not going to that. Right now we are. Civil is different thing. So far as management and XYZ concerned, liquidation is concerned, confiscation is concerned, attachment is concerned, he can't say. He has to fight his own case as an individual director. He can't do anything on behalf of the company. Now the question is with regard to claim, who will learn? We are not going on that issue. Don't comment that issue. It is not the issue right now. We are only who will sign. Today the question is who will sign on behalf of the company. After conclusion of trial, the question of who will file 313. Any case law on this subject? Because everyone are making submission, but no one is clear. So far as section 17 is concerned, it is pertaining to management. So you now can't manage anything on behalf of the company. The management would be a different thing, and criminal prosecution appearing as an excuse on behalf of the company would be a different thing. And the ED has joined the director representing the company. Now on what basis you have joined? No textual aspect. Because company was already under liquidation. Who says? It was there. Your complaint is in 2019. Your complaint is in 2019. Yes. No. Your accused number. But then also now subsequently we have changed. The first is accused number 1 on 30th 11/2017. Number 2 it is in 2019. For all the 3 companies. Yes, sir. But then also now as on date they are in liquidation. So when civil time. I don't want that. I have heard on that factual. I don't want anything that Mr. Gupta says this to accept it. Mr. Vyas says, I want a legal clear provision or the case law which would be governing this issue. What does it say? So that was that what he is saying under 32 years. Company will do. And here I don't think the new management has taken. In your case, your new management has taken. So that is today we don't consider. Even it has gone there also. Then the distance will have come on behalf of the company. So now you are the greater. So you are liquidator. Factual नहीं हो हमारे factual में भी हम I am fed up with this factual और you to point out that, sir, I am not required to sign as an accused on behalf of while representing the company. I don't want any logic or that. I want clear provision. You tell me I am having the book, I will go through the book. Nothing else. तो लेता हूँ कुछ अजय गोयल का ये मैंने केस को उससे कहीं आपको